Hey guys, it's Jessica, and you're watching the TransWorld Motocross Holiday Gift Guide, presented by BTOSports. Today's gift is the 100% RaceCraft goggle. The guys from 100% have taken motocross by storm in recent years, and the RaceCraft is their top-of-the-line offering. It features super absorbent face foam, great looks, and an awesome fit thanks to its strap outriggers. A pair costs $75 and it includes a mirrored lens and a nose guard. Be sure to visit BTOsports.com for the perfect gifts for the motocross lovers in your life.
Ho, 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 ho.